If you're a business owner or you sell anything, then stay on and let me show you this. Now here is my research tool where I peep on marketing opportunities all around. Now, this is just an example of how many Lagos residents, visitors or tourists are searching for the term restaurants on Victoria Island every month. I used restaurants in this example. Now, can you see this number? Now, let me ask you this question. When people search for topics like this, what do you think they are looking for? Obviously, they want to buy and are looking for a restaurant, a shop, an office, somewhere around close to them. The other side of the story is when people search for restaurants on Victoria Island, for example, as we see in this example, guess what? Your business is either not even appearing at all, or it's on number 10, number 20, number 25, number 50, or somewhere below. The sad news is that nobody will ever patronize you from these free customers from Google because your business is ranking horribly too low on the list. The question is, why are you leaving all the free potential customers for your competitors who are ranking on top of you and allowing them win the customer battle over you, just like that? Don't you also want to rank on Google page 1 results so that customers can also find your business and either call you or use Google Maps to trace your shop and get right to where you are? Doing this alone guarantees you at least 5 to 50 new customers from Google every day. I mean, every day. And how much are you paying to get these customers? Free of charge. It's simple. I compile a video course that show you everything that you need to do within the next 1 week, and I guarantee that your business will start showing up on Google and your ranking on Google will run to the very top within the next few days or weeks. And guess what? You will be blown away by the number of customers that will get to you and start telling you, hey, I found you on Google. You will think that this is magic or something. If you're interested in having this done for you guys, then click the link below this video, get this magic course and start getting your new daily customers. I guarantee you. Life is that simple. Click the link below and I'll see you at the other end.